What's up, King? It's Hunter from Wingman Plus, and the Tinder Passport World Tour is back. I'm trying to find the sexiest city in Australia, and where better to start than Melbourne. I put my Tinder Passport in Melbourne for about 5 days. I've seen a couple of likes pour in, so let's fire up the old Tinder machine and get started. Oh yeah, and if you haven't yet, make sure you pound that like button, hit subscribe. Gonna be dropping a ton of videos just like this in the next few weeks. And okay, right off the bat, we got Laura. Love the sombrero. We're gonna give her a left, you know, respectfully. Oh, Crystal is looking good. And right off the bat, we got a match. We're just gonna send her a little wink. How about that? We'll keep it pretty efficient on that one. Yeah, I've heard from a lot of my Australian buddies that Melbourne is pretty top tier. And right off the bat, you know, okay, yeah, I'm getting kind of blown away here. We got some baddies pulling up here. What do we got? Hannah. Oh, damn. Hannah's last pick actually kind of got me. I think I swiped left a little too early on her. We're gonna give Hannah a match. Oh my God, we got a match. I hope you like Shrek. This line has absolutely been killing it for me lately. I hope you like Shrek. Yeah, shout out to all my Australian homies. Last year when I was in Bali, I got a bunch of friends out there. A bunch of sick cunts. I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. But yeah, those guys are... Australians are the best. Okay, we got another match here. The matches are just pouring in. For this girl, we will say... I can't tell if you're wholesome or an absolute demon. If you guys are OGs, you know about the I can't tell if you're innocent or an absolute baddie line. But that one's been kind of overplayed, so we had to change it up a little bit here. But yeah, try that line out. Pretty much the exact same pickup line, but absolutely slaps. And not every girl in the world has heard it 1,000 times. Oh, Stephanie's looking fit, eh? Yeah, you know, I'd root. Okay, here we go. Yeah, Stephanie is, you know, 100% my type here. Getting a little nervous. We got to send her a big line. Is it true what they say about Aussie girls? And we'll throw a little demon emoji in there just so, like, it's a little playful. If you guys are struggling, by the way, with like finding good pickup lines, you need help coming up with good ones, I put a link down in the description of this video for my free pickup line guide. It's got 25 like canned openers you can just copy and paste, but then it also has a framework for coming up with custom pickup lines as well. All right, so for this girl, we're gonna say, I def buy you macas. And I'm sorry if I'm spelling macas wrong, boys. I'm not from Australia. I just know you guys say that, but I have no idea how you spell it. So we're gonna keep swiping here. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, actually. Like, I'm very impressed with the quality of the matches coming out of Australia. And another match, boys. Just non-stop matches right now, actually. We're just gonna send her a you up. Best opener, to be honest. It's just short and sweet. Yeah, not gonna lie, just some absolute baddies out here in Australia. I'm not mad. By the way, if you guys are in Australia, drop a comment below. Show your Canadian bro some love here. And if you're in Australia and you plan on coming out to Bali in the next couple months, me and my team are gonna be down there doing some Tinder makeovers. We actually have a couple spots available too. So if you do want to work with us, get a profile makeover and pull the amount of matches that I'm pulling right now, as you can see, it's kind of out of control. Hit the link down in the description, apply for a profile makeover. And boys, even if a profile makeover isn't in your budget or like a trip to Bali isn't in your budget, I still want to find a way to help you out no matter what your budget is. So still go on the website, apply for a profile makeover. If you're a student or just kind of struggling right now with money and, you know, doing a professional photo shoot just isn't realistic for you, we'll still be able to help you out. We'll find a solution for you. So check out the site, apply. There's actually a free photo shoot prep guide on that website too. So even if you don't want to book a photo shoot with us, but you want to maybe take photos with your buddies or something like that, really useful free guide on the website. That's really going to help you out. Oh my God, Alana is looking cute. I'm noticing a lot of blondies out in Melbourne here. I'm not mad about it. I've had enough with the regular Tinder feed though. Let's go over to the top picks section and see what we're working with here. This is usually where Tinder puts the absolute 10 out of 10s. And yeah, right off the bat, Gabby is looking like an absolute badina. What do we got? Cindy. Oh my. How are you? Yeah, she's gonna get a right swipe. Okay, we got Holly. Not a lot of bios coming from these Australian girls, eh? They kind of leave it mysterious. Makes it a little more difficult to, you know, rip an opener when they don't give you anything to work with at all. Do I have to sign for your package? Oh, that's pretty smooth. Marissa's gonna get a right swipe just for the bio. All right, we got Samantha. Opens it up with a little silly pic. Great smile. Every time I match a girl who has an ATV, I send her the ATV line. I say, let's recreate the ATV photo. I'll be the ATV. Get it? Because, like, she's going to be sitting on me. All right. Ooh, Abigail is an absolute rocket. Green eyes. Nice smile. She looks like she has a great personality, so we're going to give her a right swipe just for the personality. We got Allie. Okay, Allie's kind of hiding the bod here. A lot of floating head selfies. We'll still give her a right swipe though. All right, we got Amber. Oh, look at that doggo. That dog has like a foot-long tongue, eh? Serve that thing on a Subway sandwich. And Tess. Tess is our last top pick here. Yeah, fuck it, why not? We're gonna swipe right. What I found on Tinder, by the way, like if you are getting a lot of matches and a lot of women are liking your profile, going through this main Tinder section is very inefficient because you have to swipe through girls and you're kind of like playing the lotto of who liked your profile and you're trying to match with them. And that's why I found it way more efficient to just get Tinder Gold. You can just go through your likes section here, and as you can see, we're sitting on about 10,000 likes right now. Not bad at all. At the end of the video too, I'll show you guys my profile so you can see how I got 10,000 likes. But yeah, I find this just way more efficient to like go through here. All these girls have already liked my profile anyway, so if I swipe right, it's just gonna be an instant match. And obviously with dating apps, like timing is of the essence, right? Girls download these apps super quick. They talk to like 5 or 10 guys and then they pick kind of their favorite one to go on a date with. So having Tinder Gold and getting your matches quicker is a huge advantage if you actually do want to land dates. I don't pay for premium on all the dating apps, but getting Tinder Gold is definitely worth it if you're sitting on over 99 likes. If you're sitting on less than 100 likes, there's probably a good opportunity for you to boost your profile and maybe fix your algorithm before you focus on spending money on Tinder. I've got a bunch of free tutorials of how to do that here on YouTube. And yeah, doing a profile makeover is definitely a cheat code for just ripping a ton of matches. That's what I noticed is like I used to just scrape by. I was sitting on maybe like 20 likes on Tinder at any given time. And once I started figuring out how to take good photos and getting professional quality photos that don't look like you're trying too hard and they do look candid, my likes just absolutely exploded on Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge. Oh, Tegan's all tatted up, eh? I love Avril Lavigne. Say less. I'll be your skater boy. Yeah, overall, not too mad about the talent down in Melbourne, but I'm curious, guys, if you live in Australia and you think your city is sexier than Melbourne, drop a comment below. Let me know where the hot spots are. Let me know where I need to swipe. I'm thinking Gold Coast, Sydney, Brisbane. Like, tell me where you're at, guys. Let me know where you want me to swipe. And bro, if you're coming to Bali, July, August, September, me and my boys are gonna be out there. Shoot me a DM on Instagram if you're heading out to Bali. Let's hit up Finn's Beach Club. If you need a wingman out there, I got you. And let's absolutely get after it. All right, I promised you guys I'd show you my profile, so let's take a look at that. So my profile is pretty simple. 6 banger photos that clearly show what I look like and show myself at my best. So I actually start things off with an iPhone photo just to get rid of any catfish vibes whatsoever that girls might have from the pro photos on my profile. This is something we've been doing for all of our profile makeover clients too, is ripping a good quality iPhone pic, and I've gotten really good results with this one. Second photo is my adventure photo. So went to Machu Picchu, got a badass photo up there with the cowboy hat. Obviously, like, it's kind of comedic, the cowboy hat, the poncho. Shows I don't take myself too seriously, and it's kind of jokes. Next up, got me in Japan pouring some green tea. Obviously, you know, the Asian baddies love this photo. A little pic of me down in Toronto, a little hometown vibe. Honestly, this is probably my least favorite photo on my profile just because the lighting's not great, but shows the tattoos pretty nicely, so I kept it up there for that. A nice alpaca pic. I usually recommend guys use a dog photo, but if you can get a cute animal that's not a dog, like an alpaca or a kangaroo or something like that, goes a really long way. And last up, the golden hour sweet and sour pick. So there you go, boys. Swiping in Melbourne, complete. If you want me to swipe on your city in the next video, drop your city down in the comments below. And if you're trying to level up your online dating profile, click the link down in the description of this video, apply for a profile makeover. Even if a photo shoot isn't in your budget right now, apply anyway. I'm sure we'll find a way to help you out, bro. Appreciate the views. Pound that like button, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.